Yeah, there are hundreds of bees in this stuff. I think I can kind of smell the blooms.